Bossier City, Louisiana. They just installed this new road and they put a new drainage system on the side of the road. We're just coming in doing the final cleaning. The drainage system, just through construction, has some material in it, some rock, some sand, debris, and before they turn it over to the state or city, whoever this road is going to belong to, they have to make sure that all of the drainage system is in good working order, clean, in the best possible condition it can be in. So right now he's running this jet head from downstream up to the upstream manhole, which is where we're standing now. It's about 700-800 foot of storm drain line. We try to be very thorough with it. It's a job that we could do a little bit quicker, but instead of making one pass and just assuming we're getting it, we make sure to make 2 to 3, sometimes 4 passes on these lines to make sure that they're completely spotless. That way when our customer turns it over to whoever they're working for, it is the absolute best product that could be put out. The boom coming off top of the truck, it's sitting right down in the manhole beside them. That's what's sucking and removing the material out. The head that comes down is actually pushing the material backwards. So the hydraulics on the reel is pulling the head back, but the high pressure of the jet head is trying to push the head forward. So as it's being forced backwards, the water pressure is pushing everything backwards with it. It's the AquaTech B10 unit. It's considered a combination unit, which means it has a vacuum and it has a water system on it. So it has the big hose reel on the back, which is what we use to clean storm drains, sewer lines, anything that we need to go a long distance. It also has a smaller hose reel on the side for hydro excavation. So if you have anything that you need to dig, but there might be some type of utility in the way, gas line, fiber line, electric line, anything that might be in the way of trying to use the excavator, you can hydro excavate, which is pretty much just, it's digging with a pressure washer. You take a pressure washer and you cut the ground, slurry it up, and then you use the boom to suck the mud up. You end up with a clean cut ditch with no risk of tearing up any type of utilities that might be in the way. It's most definitely important to do a thorough job for many reasons. A customer pays for a certain product. You want to make sure they get the best product possible. In my mind, anything that's left in the line is not what they paid for. So I want to make sure we get it all out. If they're trusting their sub to get it done, and that sub is entrusting us, and we have to work all the way for the top person. So not only are we protecting our name, we're protecting the customer we're working for.